My new shower seal arrived today. I'm going to pull this one off to make sure that, there we go, yank. Now, before I do anything else, you'll remember I said measure your glass. So before I do anything else and cut the new one, get rid of the old one, I want to make quite sure that this new one will fit onto the glass. I think it will, but it's quite hard to do it with, hold on. I needed two hands. It fits quite well, but I think when I actually do it, I'm going to put a little bit of washing up liquid in here so that it will slide on more easily, because it does fit, but my God, it's tight. There we go. To be sure that I get it right, I'm going to use the old one as a pattern. So I'll line it up there, I'll line it down here, and then there's a slight, you see where it's done at an angle, so it linked up with the one coming down. I'm going to mark that with a pen, and then I'm going to cut it with a sharp knife. None of these things I can do with one hand, so you're going to have to wait while I do that. That was fun. I started with a knife and I had to end up with a hacksaw, and then I finished with a pair of scissors. However, it's cut. Now I'm going to go upstairs. I'm going to use a little bit of diluted washing up liquid in there just so that I can slide it all off, and I'll show you the finished result in a minute. That was awful fight to get it on. It is the same size as the old one. I know that for fact because I line them up. However, obviously the old one has spent years being pried apart. So I've got it on. It's as tight as you like. What I am now going to do is completely ignore that for as long as I can. Somebody did suggest after I'd had the fight that I probably should have put it in hot water and it would have gone on a lot more easily, but I didn't think of that. But perhaps that's something you might want to try. However, I'm going to leave it on, and then obviously this will just get used to being a bit wider. And then next time I come in to clean the bathroom, I will take it off, I will polish this up, and I will put it on again. But it is clean. It is sealed. It is at the moment a shade too long, but I'm not fussed about that. I can cut that off.